Over the past 45 years, Cornell Scott-Hill Health Center has been committed to the communities they serve. Today we'll hear how they're taking that commitment one step further and giving people access to quality care. Joining me is Chief Operations Officer Lou Brady and Chief of Strategic Development Rob Rioux. Gentlemen, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
Good morning, Teresa.
Rob, let's start with you and tell me a little bit about the services that you provide.
Sure. The Cornell Scott-Hill Health Center offers a very large suite of services for residents of the greater New Haven area. So primary medical care is mostly what we're known for, but we also offer dental services, behavioral health services for adults and children. We offer pharmacy and lab services and a host of specialty services like cardiology, gastroenterology, and so forth.
Very good. But Lou, you've had some challenges along the road. Why don't you bring me back a little bit?
Sure. Well, we are a community health center, and community health centers were born with the mission of providing care to anyone, regardless of their ability to pay or their language. We really were built to empower communities and to engage. Our founder, Cornell Scott, was from the Hill neighborhood, and he helped to start the Hill Health Center and worked with the Yale School of Public Health and empower the community. He was our leader for 40 years. He passed in 2008, and I think in the interim we had some transitional leadership, lost a little bit of our way, but we have a new leadership team that's really connected to the mission and the vision and the energy and the passion that Cornell brought. And so we're
on the right
back.
path again, right?
Absolutely.
And you say a key point of that is reconnecting into the community.
Absolutely.
Rob, let me ask you how you plan on doing that.
Sure. I think the best way for us to do that is to make sure that we're out and about and we're engaging with folks from all parts of this community. So organizations that have a mission of their own, we find ways to partner with them to bring health screenings, information around healthcare to their audiences and to their memberships, and to make sure that people are aware that we're here, we're available, and we're willing to partner with them in any way possible.
And you said the greater New Haven area. Can you want to break it down a little further?
Sure. So we have 19 care sites. I'm not sure everyone knows that, but we're pretty large. 19 care sites around greater New Haven, including towns of West Haven, Ansonia, Derby, and so forth, as well as New Haven, of course.
All right, let's talk about some of the partnerships that you have, Lou. Chapel Haven?
Well, I'll have Rob speak to Chapel New Haven. I think he's proud of that.
Chapel Haven is a great story. It's an organization, a nonprofit organization based in New Haven that has developed programs for adults with disabilities such as autism and Down syndrome.
Okay.
And they have a great story to tell. Been doing great work for many years. And they came to us with a problem that they had, which was really trying to find a solution to weight management issues that their clients, their students had. And so in conjunction with us, we partnered with them to develop a program that really solved this problem. And we were so successful with that program, working with them, that they asked us to bring that program to their West Coast facility, which we did in December to great success. So we're just thrilled with the partnership with Chapel Haven. They see benefit for their students, their clientele, and of course, it's what we do in terms of bringing healthcare to the community. This was a great partnership.
Absolutely. And Lou, you guys were out at more than 500 events last year.
Absolutely.
That's impressive.
Yes, we found our way back into the community. Anybody who's reached out to us and said, we'd like to have you do health screenings, teachings, we've been more than a willing partner and have been pleased to engage at that level.
Sure. And you're working with the city of New Haven pretty closely. I know the schools are involved, the health department.
Absolutely. Recently, I think it was 2 Saturdays ago, we did an enrollment fair with the City of New Haven. At our site, we help to enroll families in insurances through the Affordable Care Act. We have certified application counselors that worked with the city sisters in helping people to navigate their way.
That's a great resource.
Yeah,
that can be very confusing. And Leslie, tell me a little bit about Give Kids a Smile Day. Sounds like a fun event.
It is. Give Kids a Smile is it's actually based on a national program where kids who don't have access to insurance for whatever reason have the opportunity to have a dental cleaning and assessment by a dentist at no charge. And so we're providing that service in our Derby Dental Clinic on Saturday, February 8th from 8:30 in the morning till 12:30 in the afternoon. And There are plenty of slots available for people to come and
We
have.
should register ahead of time?
Yeah, there's a phone
Absolutely.
number
Okay.
to call, and they can get on the schedule, and we'll be happy to take care of them.
Very good. Well, let's put some more info on the screen there. If you do need to look up the Cornell Scott-Hill Health Center, you can find it at cornellscott.org, or you could simply call 203-503-3000, and you'll find all the information there. Gentlemen, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Tracy.
Tracy.
All right, coming up next, Lori Green from Elizabeth. Richard Gifts gets us ready for the big game when Style returns. We'll be right back.